This is Teacher Faith, your English teacher. For today's video, we will learn about the sound of the letter H. What is the sound of the letter H? Can you please repeat after me? Ha, ha, ha. Great job! Very good! This is the big letter H. And this is the small letter H. This is a baby hippo. What is the sound of the letter H? Ha, ha. Hippo. This is a baby hippo. That's good. The next picture that I'm going to show you is house. Ha, ha, house. Very good. Next is heart. Again, can you please repeat after me? Heart. Ha, ha, heart. Great job. Very good. Next is ha, ha, hut, hut. Again, please. Hut. Good job. Next is hand. Hand. How many fingers do you have in your hand? Can you count, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! You have 10 fingers in your hand. Again, what is this, please? Hand. Hand. Very good. Good job. Next is happy. How do you feel today? Are you happy? Again, what is this? Ha, ha, happy. Ha, ha, happy. Great, good. I will show you how to write a letter H. The big letter H and the small letter H. Hey, kids! Now we're going to write a letter H. Started the top, then go back to the top and make a line down. Next, go to the middle and make a line across. Again, start at the top, then go back to the top and make a line down. Next, go to the middle and make a line across. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. See you on my next video.